Well, hello everybody. Brandon here with Stardogs Boneyard. I haven't done any videos for YouTube lately. What the video is going to be about is the lower control arms for a Jeep Comanche when you lift it. Sometimes the lower control arms don't come with the lift kit, or when they do come with the lift kit, they aren't really the right length. Takes your differential and kind of faces it to the ground. Bumps are a lot more bumpy. That doesn't mean there aren't solutions out there. Every single bump was weird. It shouldn't be that big of a bump, but it is. Not only does it mess with the bumping, you're steering all over the place like a weirdo. So this became real important to me. I like my Jeeps to run good. Anytime I can do a repair or an improvement on my Jeep, I do it. It's just the right thing to do. The lift kit that I have on my Jeep is a Zone Off-Road 4.5 inch. It is a solid lift kit, guys. Add a leaf in the back. The lower control arms aren't the right length, in my opinion. The Zone Off-Road guys, you know, they'll know better than me. The actual drivability, it makes it a little bit harder than it should be. I found out that the lower control arm for JK series Wranglers are the right length, and I had a set of lower control arms. I went ahead and I swapped them out, and I'm telling you, it was a really great thing to do. The drivability of the Jeep after I did that, it immediately brought the pumpkin forward, which actually I think probably gave me another half inch of lift, which is pretty cool. But once it's like up and down, it's a lot smoother. That entire geometry, in my opinion, is a lot better with the swap. So let's show you guys what it looks like. Well, here I am underneath the Jeep Comanche. It's a good spot. There you go. That's the lower control arm, and there's that one right there. This is the Zone Off-Road one right here. It's significantly shorter. I'm not too much of an expert when it comes to like the geometry of that, but I do know if it feels better during the drive. When I hit a bump, I'm not, jostled around as much as I was before. And I actually feel like the four-wheel drive works better with the change. So that's a good thing too. Here's a shot from the front. I have to give the Zone Off-Road kit an A+. I really do like it. The install was easy. There's the new spring and the link here. But pretty much everything else, as far as the tie rods and everything, is all stock. Well, this is what the Jeep looks like with the kit. See, the differential looks like it's pointing in the right direction, or maybe the more right direction. Rear, like I said, it's just an add a leaf. You can tell which one is the add-on. Shot from this side. The Jeep is a 1986 long bed. This guy came with the 2.8 liter originally, which I cracked that engine. But I gave it the high output version. It has the 3.4 now. It took me a while to track down all the badges that were missing. This guy came with the chrome package, so a lot of stuff in there has chrome. I love the chrome up front. Very nice. And I do drive this guy about 4,000 miles a year. So in general, my page is mainly about Jeeps, and mainly about older Jeeps. I'd rather deal with a carburetor and a distributor. What you'll find on my page is little bits about Jeeps that I find out, and if the videos can help you guys, I'm glad that I have a page up. There's been pages that I follow and I still currently follow. They're all about Jeeps, and to those guys I say thank you. You help inspire me to continue building awesome Jeeps. If you think this video or this channel is something for you, you could like and subscribe. That's not really why I'm here. This is more of like a journal for myself and for those that like Jeeps as well. But if it's something that you guys want to see more of, I'll keep producing videos, and I hope it helps you guys. So, well, thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.